So, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. I welcome you to this series Learn with Me Microsoft Power BI in 2024. So, in this series, we are learning about Microsoft Power BI. So, this is our end interface, like look like this, okay? So, in our previous videos, we cover entire about the Power Query, okay? This is our Power Query window, okay? Only in the Power Query, we I just skip the now pivot column, unpivot column. After that, how to do group by and merge queries. So all the things we are cover here, okay? Important things. So these three things also we are covering in our upcoming video, okay? So that video is interview questions, okay? So that interview questions we are practically doing hands-on on these three things, okay? So must watch that video also, okay? These questions will be asked in the interviews as well, okay? So other apart from that all we cover about all the thing about Power Query, okay? So now we are going and moving forward for our new topic, that is model view. Okay, so I simply just click on the model view. So this is a model view we will create. Like if you see, this is our fact table and other all the primary or lookup tables, okay? You can be saying. So in this we have some of the primary keys, foreign keys. This is card and it is one to many, one to many, many to many. So after that we have the keys like primary key, foreign keys, okay? So how to identify that, how to create this type of relationships, these things we are learning in our upcoming videos. So I have one image for you also in the proper way it will demonstrate to you. So like in our session we are covering foundational data modeling topics like normalization, fact and dimension tables, primary and foreign keys, relationships like cardinality is called as relationship, that one to many, many to many, many to one, and how to perform filtering in one directional or one to both direction. Okay. After that, these things we are learning in our upcoming sessions. So be stuck with me and learn with me. Yeah, within 3 to 4 videos, we will cover this entire topic. Okay, from scratch to the advanced level. And also we are cover the interviews questions, what are the asked in this topic. So we just cover that also. So for now, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.